You know, I want to tell you about these plumber stories. How you spill water heater plumber. That's right, water heater, motherfucker. People need hot water. You know what I mean? Oh, when the weather gets cold like now. People need the hot water, man. I know. As long as you got a big number on the water heater itself that shows your company number. They call fire stations and stuff for water heaters. Stupid people! But you know, there's money to be made. 'Cause people are high tech and shit. They don't know pipes. I watch, man, motherfucker. I get a crew together, blow out water heaters left and right. Project cost, man. It costs 2,500 to fix this. It's your choice. Go ahead and do it. Business, we'll see. I like making money now. I realize I spend too much. Yeah, I got cut off the spigot a little bit for a little while. It is what it is.